Okay, yeah, welcome back, my viewers. In my previous video, a lot of people has been reaching to me asking me how can they connect their Deriv account to MT5. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to connect your Deriv account to MT5, where you can be able to trade. MT5 is a trading platform, which is MetaTrader 5. We also have MetaTrader 4, but currently what we use is MetaTrader 5. So when you come to your dashboard, in my previous video I've shown you guys how to come to this particular dashboard, so I will not continue from there again. So what I will be jumping into now is how to connect your account to your trading account to your MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Now what you need to do is, these are the trading account I've created so far. You can come here and create more. If you create, for this purpose of this tutorial, I will not be creating any other one because I've created multiple ones so far. So but you can still come here in case in your own trading dashboard you might not have this. So you come here now, click. Now let's click on this. So when you click on it, they are going to ask you to set it up. We have leverage, max leverage, minimum, so you can scroll down. After this, they have told you that this is the only things things that you can trade. You can trade forex, stock index, commodity, cryptocurrency, ETFs, synthetic indices, basket indices. So you can click on create this what was it called, create account. So let me, for the purpose of this video, let me type in a password. So I've been able to type in a password, so I'm going to confirm. Oh. In most cases, please, let's have this. In most cases, they always ask you to put a password that matches your account login details. So let me not waste more. Let me just put in this. That is my account. Then it has gone. So don't forget, you always ask to put in the password that you are going to use or you have been using to log in. So deposit now, we are not talking about deposit now. So now when you have created it, let me go back. This is standard 3. So which should be this is standard 3. This is the account. This is standard 3 so far. So when you click on it, it brings you here. So they will not ask you, you will be asked to your account, no transaction yet. So you will ask to create, what was it called, create an account. So if you want to create an account, you can click here, these three dots. You have the information, that the account information so far. So here now, if you can close your balance, but there's no need for that. When you come here, this is trade. This one now, this is a place whereby you can decide to see some of the trade that has been opened or closed in your MT5 account. Here, this is a deposit. I've already explained this in my previous video. So here now, you click on deposits. When you click on deposit, remember this is a real account. You have your login ID, you have the server, you have your broker. So what you need to do is you copy your login ID, you minimize, go to your MetaTrader 5, click on the right button, click on manage, click on plus icon. Now search for Deriv. Let's go back and see Deriv SVG LLC. Deriv, let's allow it to load. Deriv SVG, here is it, Deriv SVG. Then when you click on it, allow it to load, so that you can bring out the servers. Now when you come here, account trade type, this is trade account. So you paste the logins, you copy, then you type in the password. When you type in the password, sorry, let me paste it again. When you type in the password, remember it's Deriv server. So you click on login. So you see it has logged in successfully. So now that it has logged in successfully, you come here, you have zero balance, you come here, this is your indices. So we have volatility step index, boom 1000, crash 1000, and the rest of them. So you can click on any of the charts you want to see, you see it for yourself how it's going. So it all depends on if you want to trade or not. And please note, this thing now is showing, so far is showing read only. The reason why it's showing this read only is you have not verified this account. So let me go back and see if there is a way we can verify it from here. And one of the reason one of the ways you can verify it is by depositing. Now once you make a deposit, this particular read only will no longer be there again. That's it. So if you have any questions so far about regarding to how to link your Deriv account to your MT5, kindly drop a comment in the comment section, share, like and subscribe, because in this channel I will personally be taking you guys on Deriv and anything about Deriv, forex trading and personal finance. So do well to turn on the notification icon and do well to always look out for more videos. Thank you.